Hey guys, this is Thomas, and welcome back to my channel, Better Mindset, Better Life. Starting in April 6, 2020, the Canadian government will launch a new benefit called Canada Emergency Response Benefit. So this video is about everything you need to know about the CERB. I will share what is CERB, who can qualify it, how to qualify it, and how is that different compared to employment insurance. I will make it very simple so you don't have to waste time searching. So, let's go. Canada Emergency Response Benefit, short for CERB, is provided by the Canadian government in April 2020. Its goal is to give financial aid to the people who lost income due to the virus. If your work income has been reduced to zero, or you simply cannot go to work because you're in quarantine, or you have to take care of children or elders whose healthcare facility is closed due to the COVID-19, the CERB might provide you with temporary income support. No matter if you're qualified for employment insurance or not, you're still able to get the benefits. It provides $500 a week for 4 weeks straight and up to 16 weeks in total. So there are 4 benefits periods. Each period is 4 weeks long, and each time you have to reapply and meet the qualification in order to get the benefits. The benefit starts from March 15, 2020 to October 3, 2020. There are a couple criteria you need to meet first. At least you have to be 15 years old and resides in Canada with valid SIN number. You have to stop working because of the COVID-19 situation. That means you cannot voluntarily leave your job. Or if you're looking for a job but haven't stopped working because of the COVID-19, you are not eligible for the benefit. You need to have at least $5,000 of income on paper in 2019. The income has to be your active income such as work or self-employed income. Rental income or investment income do not qualify into the $5,000. And lastly, you have to be no income for at least 14 consecutive days in the initial 4-week period and do not expect to have income. In simple words, you have to live in Canada, work last year, and lost your job due to the COVID-19 this year. Then you can qualify for the benefits. This can also apply for contractors and self-employed workers. Take realtors for example. If they have no business transaction due to the COVID-19 and they meet the criteria above, then they are qualified for the benefits. But if you're a student who had a job last year and were planning on working this summer, you do not qualify for the benefits. There are 2 ways to apply for the CERB. First one is through online CRA portal, and I will attach the link below. First, log into your online CRA My Account. Click COVID-19 Canada Emergency Response Benefit in the alert banner at the top of the page. Select the period that you want to apply for. Declare that you can qualify for the benefits, and then confirm you have the right payment information. Or you can apply by phone. It is an automated system. The phone number is 1-800-959-2019. You need to have your SIM card, personal information such as address and date of birth ready. You can do it in person, or you can authorize someone to call for you, but you need to do that prior in other portal. Whether you apply online or by phone, the CRA has set up specific days for you to apply. Please use the following guidelines. If you're born in the first 6 months of the year, best to call Monday and Tuesday or weekend. If you're born in the later half of the year, it's best to call Wednesday, Thursday or weekend. For direct banking deposit, the money should be in the bank account within 3 to 5 business days. Otherwise, it will take up to 10 business days or longer to send the check over. If I'm getting EI now, does that affect the CERB, and do I have to reapply? If you're already receiving employment insurance regular benefits, you will continue to receive these benefits until the end of your benefit period. If you're eligible for EI before March 15 but didn't apply until March 15 or after, you're still able to get the EI benefits. And if the EI benefits end before October 1st, 2020, then you can apply the CERB given you have stopped working because reasons related to COVID-19. And like the date suggested, if you lose your income after March 15 due to the virus, then you can only apply to the CERB. That means you cannot be paid both employment insurance benefit and the Canada Emergency Response Benefit at the same time. And starting in April 6, 2020, everything will go into the CERB portal. However, for other EI benefits, including maternity, seasonal jobs like fishing, work sharing, you should also continue for the EI benefits. That's the basic 101 for CERB. There are some FAQ regards to the benefits, and I will put it in the description box below. Or you can leave a comment here and I will make a video for you guys too. The CERB is for to all people who lost income due to the virus only. You have to apply every 4 weeks, up to 4 times, and each time you have to meet the criteria above. The easiest way will be through online CRA portal. A friendly reminder, it's great that the Canadian government is responding to the health situation. This gives us a breathing room, but it's not going to be enough. Please recheck your finance and plan accordingly. This can be a long battle, but we will win as long as we stay strong both physically and financially. Thanks so much for watching this video, and I hope this video can make it easier for you. If you find the content useful, please kindly share it to your friends. Or press the like button below. It helps with the YouTube algorithm so more people can watch this. You can also leave a comment with your questions here and we can all help each other out. Right now, the healthcare capacity is reaching the limit. Please wear a mask and keep our social distance. Do your best to stay at home. People from healthcare are staying at work for us. Please stay home for them. This is Thomas, and I will see you in the next video.